Hello, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to compare these two profile trading platform, which is FTMO and FundedNext. So let's quickly dive into it. So talking about FTMO is still the most trusted name in prof trading, backed by years of consistency, a huge trader community, and a reliable payout. Its two-step evaluation ensure discipline, and trader can scale up to large account with profit split up to 90%. The trade-off is the stricter rules, higher challenges fee, and a lower path to funding compared to some rivals. FundedNext, on the other hand, is a newer but quickly gaining traction with flexible funding model, including one-step evaluation and a profit split up to 95%. It also supports more payment options, including crypto, and even offer a lower entry cost. However, its shorter track record raised question about long-term stability, and some rules still catch traders off guard. So if you want a security and a proven reliability, FTMO wins. But if you want a flexibility and higher potential payout, FundedNext is the better choice. And that's it. I hope you find the video helpful. Subscribe for more.